Hi guys, this is Phantom Vacuum Fan. Forgive me, I have a little bit of a cold, so forgive me if I sound a little congested. I'm doing an unboxing video on my newest vacuum. It's not a Phantom. It's a Hoover Windtunnel Air. I just wanted something a little bit lighter with good attachments. And I found a deal through HSN where they included the standard attachments in Vacuum L plus a extra long but skinny crevice tool, an extra extension hose, a extra extension rod that twists and locks, and the pet paw, whatever you want to call it, turbo brush with the rubber brush roll. But anyway, I'm going to open the box real quickly. I just wanted to do an unboxing video since I don't very often get new vacuums that are in the box. And so here we go. Okay. So first, we have the owner's manual and the 3-in-1 brush, the handle, remove this, and then here is the vacuum. So, give me 1 second to get out of the styrofoam. And I'll get it out of the bag in a second too, but let me... Okay, now let me just get this, let me get the cord out of this bag real quick, and then I'll show assembly, which is super simple. I mean, it's not even really assembly, but I'll show it real quick. Okay, so to quote-unquote assemble it, you just take the handle and pull the plastic out of there. And then, let me put the camera back down, pull the handle out, and then, it's very simple. You just take the handle and line it up, and it's fully assembled. Now you can just adjust the height with the... It's easier with two hands, but yeah, with the telescopic handle. So anyway, that is my... Oh, well then I'll do this real quick. Let me open this up. I'll show you where the 3-in-1 attachment goes. Let's see, I guess right there. Unless, am I missing something? Maybe like that. I'll have to double check, but I think that's right. Let me check the manual real quick. Excuse me. As you can tell, like I said, still sick. Oh, okay. So... Well, I guess that's technically right, but they want it like that. Okay. And let me turn this light real quick just to... So then it stores like that, I guess. So anyway, this is my Hoover Windtunnel Air, and I'll be right back. I'll do a demonstration of it in use. thanks for watching. Bye.